NXE stock analysis. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this very brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at NexGen energy, it's an already bullish market. You know, it's 15% up. The way that I'm looking to freaking double down on this, I mean, not straight up, but if I come here like to the daily chart, you will see that this is pumping, right? So this is great performance. And how this is going to reflect on my idea is that when I zoom out, my previous predictions were just bullish side predictions, right? And ultimately, like, this is not going to change, especially now when it's pumping up and we clearly have proof of concept. So I'm not sure if I have previous NXE in the Discord covered, but that does not matter because now this is my top and I'm just hoping for a little correction, man. Like, what I'm not going to do is randomly start buying at the top here. And ideally, if the price does pull down and then shows me some sort of double break, then and only then I'm going to buy. But yeah, other than that, like randomly forcing buys here, it's not going to be happening. So all I will keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. Other than that, really not trying to force or do anything. But yeah, we'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.